Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am diving into the world of hiking sandals. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, you know the importance of having the right footwear. Hiking sandals offer the perfect blend of comfort, durability, and breathability for those warm weather hikes. But with so many options out there, which ones are the best? Stick around as I count down the top 5 best hiking sandals for men. Let's get started. 5. Chaco Z/1 Classic Sandals. Starting off the list at number 5, we have the Chaco Z/1 Classic Sandals. These sandals are a staple in the hiking community, known for their durability and comfort. The Z/1 Classic features a high arch and the stiffest sole material found in the Chaco family, making it perfect for long hikes and rugged terrain. The Chaco Z/1 Classic is built to last. The polyester jacquard webbing upper is adjustable and durable, ensuring a secure fit. The Love Seat trademark PU midsole provides excellent support and comfort, certified by podiatrists. The Chaco Grip trademark rubber outsole with 3.5 millimeters lug depth offers excellent traction on both wet and dry surfaces. Whether you're hiking through muddy trails or rocky paths, these sandals will keep you steady. The contoured footbed is designed to support your arch and cradle your heel, providing all-day comfort. The adjustable straps allow you to customize the fit to your liking. These sandals are not just for hiking. They're perfect for water activities, casual walks, and even around town. The open toe design keeps your feet cool and comfortable. Available in a variety of colors and patterns, the Chaco Z/1 Classic lets you express your style while enjoying the great outdoors. Overall, the Chaco Z/1 Classic sandals are a reliable choice for anyone looking for a durable and comfortable hiking sandal. They may be on the heavier side, but their durability and support make them worth it. 4. Xero Shoes Z-Trail EV Sandals. Next up at number 4, we have the Xero Shoes Z-Trail EV Sandals. These sandals are perfect for those who love the barefoot feel but still want some protection. The Z-Trail EV is one of the lightest and most packable sandals on the market, making it a favorite among ultralight travelers and minimalists. Weighing in at only 12 ounces for a size 10 pair, these sandals are incredibly light. You'll barely notice them on your feet, making them perfect for long hikes and travel. The Z-Trail EV offers impressive flexibility, allowing your feet to move naturally. The thin sole provides a great ground feel while still protecting your feet from sharp objects. Made with recycled materials, these sandals are an eco-friendly choice. You can feel good about your purchase, knowing you're helping the environment. The adjustable straps ensure a secure fit without being too tight. The sandals are designed to be worn all day, whether you're hiking, running, or just walking around town. These sandals are easy to pack, taking up minimal space in your backpack. They're perfect for those who need a secondary pair of footwear for their adventures. The Xero Shoes Z-Trail EV sandals are a fantastic option for those who want a lightweight, flexible, and eco-friendly sandal. They may not offer as much support as some other options, but their minimalist design is perfect for those who prefer a more natural feel. 3. Keen Clearwater CNX Sandals. These sandals are known for their versatility and comfort, making them a great choice for a variety of activities. The closed-toe design offers extra protection, while the lightweight construction ensures you can wear them all day without discomfort. The closed-toe design protects your toes from rocks and other obstacles, making these sandals ideal for rugged terrain. The patented toe protection is a signature feature of Keen sandals. The contoured arch and metatarsal ridge provide excellent support, molding to the shape of your feet over time. The lightweight construction ensures you can wear them for extended periods without fatigue. The non-marking rubber outsole offers great traction on a variety of surfaces, from wet rocks to dry trails. You can confidently tackle any terrain with these sandals. These sandals are perfect for water sports, hiking, and casual wear. The quick drying webbing and secure fit make them ideal for activities in and around water. Keen is known for making durable footwear, and the Clearwater CNX is no exception. These sandals are built to last, even with regular use in tough conditions. The Keen Clearwater CNX sandals are a versatile and comfortable option for anyone looking for a reliable hiking sandal. The closed-toe design offers extra protection, while the lightweight construction ensures all-day comfort. 2. Teva Men's M Hurricane XLT2 Sports Sandal. At number 2, we have the Teva Men's M Hurricane XLT2 Sports Sandal. Teva is a well-known brand in the outdoor community, and the Hurricane XLT2 is one of their most popular models. These sandals offer a great balance of comfort, support, and durability, making them perfect for a variety of activities. The Eve foam midsole provides excellent cushioning and support, making these sandals comfortable for long hikes. The neoprene cushioned heel pad prevents chafing and adds extra comfort. The Durabration rubber trademark outsole offers great traction on both wet and dry surfaces. Whether you're hiking through streams or on rocky trails, these sandals will keep you steady. The 3 adjustable hook and loop closures allow you to customize the fit to your liking. You can easily adjust the straps to ensure a secure and comfortable fit. The quick drying webbing is perfect for water activities. You can wear these sandals in and out of the water without worrying about them staying wet for long. These sandals are great for hiking, water sports, and casual wear. They're durable enough to handle tough conditions, but comfortable enough for everyday use. The Teva Men's M Hurricane XLT2 Sports Sandal is a versatile and reliable option for anyone looking for a comfortable and durable hiking sandal. The adjustable straps and quick drying webbing make them perfect for a variety of activities. 1. Camel Crown Leather Sandals. Finally, at number 1, we have the Camel Crown Leather Sandals. These sandals offer a perfect blend of style, comfort, and durability. Made with high-quality leather, they are designed to provide excellent support and protection for your feet. Made with high-quality leather, these sandals are built to last. The leather upper is durable and provides a secure fit, while the rubber outsole offers excellent traction on a variety of surfaces. The cushioned footbed provides excellent support and comfort, making these sandals perfect for long hikes. The adjustable straps ensure a secure and comfortable fit. These sandals have a stylish design that looks great both on and off the trail. You can wear them for hiking, casual outings, or even to the beach. The closed-toe design offers extra protection for your toes, making these sandals ideal for rugged terrain. The leather upper also provides additional support and protection. These sandals are perfect for a variety of activities, from hiking to casual wear. The durable construction and comfortable design make them a great choice for any adventure. The Camel Crown leather sandals are the best hiking sandals for men, offering a perfect blend of style, comfort, and durability. Whether you're hitting the trails or just walking around town, these sandals will keep your feet comfortable and protected. And there you have it, folks. Our top 5 best hiking sandals for men. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or just looking for a comfortable and durable sandal for your outdoor adventures, there's something on this list for you. From the durable Chaco Z/1 Classic to the stylish camel crown leather sandals, these options will keep your feet happy on any trail. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tips. Let us know in the comments which hiking sandal you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.